Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access. Make sure you're logged into Discord and have the correct server visible. Once done, scan the voice channel list for a lock icon indicating private access. That tells you permissions are restricted. If you don't see the channel, check your role badge under server settings or the member list, roles control visibility. Next, message a moderator or use the server's join procedure to request the necessary role. This gets you into the queue for access without guessing. Now you pursue entry. Message the moderator or post in the role request channel with a short reason and any required proof. Be polite and specific so they can act quickly. Once granted, you'll either receive a role change or a direct invite link. Click it and refresh the server view. Make sure your role grants connect and speak permissions in that voice channel so you can join and be heard. If a push-to-talk or voice activity setting is required, configure it in user settings to match the channel rules. Finally, click the private voice channel to join and confirm Discord. Prompts allow microphone and camera access. This is often blocked by browser or OS privacy settings, so make sure permissions are enabled. Once inside, adjust input and output devices plus individual volumes to hear and be heard clearly. These settings are essential for group dynamics. If you can't join, reconnect, or relog in, run the voice diagnostic. Test your device in voice and video settings, and if issues persist, notify a moderator for permission or server-side troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.